Bonjour fellas, comment va? Well, before you think if this is a video in French, then let me tell you my French vocabulary is very limited. But what I have observed over the years is that there's so many words in English that have French origin. So this week in my video, I am going to talk about the words that are taken from French. So let's get started. Word number one is déjà vu. So déjà vu is derived from the scientific term promnesia, and promnesia consists of two words, pro plus amnesia. Pro stands for before and amnesia stands for memory. So the meaning of déjà vu becomes a feeling that gives you a thought that something like this has happened earlier. If I have to use déjà vu in a sentence, I can say, recording of this video gave me a feeling of déjà vu. Point number two is milieu. Milieu means a gathering, an environment or a setting. So this word is like 2% of the words that are spoken by English speakers. If I have to use milieu in a sentence, I can say there was a milieu of laborers outside the factory who were protesting for the lack of bonus that they were given that year. Number three word is bon voyage. Bon voyage is spoken with a ja, Y-A-G-E, but ja is how it is pronounced in France. So bon voyage means bon is good and voyage is travel or journey. So I will use it in a sentence for you. I am dying to hear bon voyage ever since I am stuck at home due to this pandemic. I'm sure that's a feeling that most of us have. In the similar manner, bon voyage can be changed into bon appetit, which means enjoy your meal and is mostly spoken to people who are starting to eat. Fourth word is rendezvous. So the spelling of rendezvous is very different from its pronunciation, and that is how quirky this French language is. Coming to the meaning of rendezvous is, it can be used both as a verb and a noun. The meaning is a meeting place or a meeting. I'm using in a sentence for you. My rendezvous with the chick at the bar went really smooth, said no boy ever. In this statement, I have used another French word which is chic. Chic means somebody who is stylish, a fashionista or mature enough. Number five word is connoisseur, and a little complex one. It comes from the word connoisseur and it means a person who is an expert with something in taste. So if I have to use it in a sentence, I can say, he objected at my song selection. I let him do it because I knew he was a connoisseur of fine music. So there are so many words like these that have taken their origin from French, and you can go through these words in my blog. I'm going to attach the link of the same in the description box below. So don't forget to follow my blog on curlspeak.com and also subscribe to my videos so that I keep coming up with such insightful videos to keep you entertained and give you information at the same time. Until then, happy reading and keep watching. Au revoir, as the French say.